Hello everyone. I Sunita Singh, English teacher of class 1, hoping that you all are well. Today I am going to teach you English 1. The name of the book is Roots and Wings. Let's start the first lesson, My Family. In this lesson, you are going to study about Tia and Rohan's family. Let's start the lesson. Tia and Rohan are laying the breakfast table. Rohan, Mom is busy in the kitchen. Let's lay the breakfast table. Mom will be very happy to see it. Now Rohan is telling, Oh, yes, she loves us so much. In this, Tia and Rohan are laying. Laying means placing or to set. They are placing everything on the dining table so that Mom will feel very happy to see this. Tia and Rohan come for breakfast. Now Tia is telling, Yes, Mom, we are coming. You can see here Mom is preparing breakfast in the kitchen and she is calling Tia and Rohan for the breakfast. Now see, Tia and Rohan are sitting at the table. Mom, is there no coconut water today? Now Mom is telling, Sorry, there is no coconut water today. You can have orange juice. I'm sure you will like it. So you can see here both are sitting at the table for their breakfast. And Tia is asking Mom for coconut water. But Mom is telling there is no coconut water, you can have orange juice. In this page, you can see Rohan is telling her mom, Dad is calling you. Now, Mom is coming here. Why are you late for breakfast? I cannot find my bag. Where is it? I am getting late for office. Okay, I will look for the bag. Please have your breakfast. Okay. Now, she is asking him why he is late for the breakfast because he was not there at that time. Now, he is telling he is searching his bag and he is getting late for the office. Then she is telling, okay, she will search it by the time he can have his breakfast. After breakfast, Tia and Rohan go to say goodbye to their grandparents. Bye, Grandpa. Bye, Grandma. See you in the afternoon. They both are moving to their school. Tia and Rohan are very happy. They have a loving family. Now Tia is telling, I love my parents and grandparents. We are a happy family. What do you think, Rohan? Now she is asking Rohan. Now Rohan is telling, oh yes, we are a happy family. So they have a happy family. Now this finishes your book work. Now let's move to the next page for exercise. Who said these words? Let's lay the breakfast table. Mom will be happy to see it. Who said? Tia. Second one, Tia and Rohan come to the breakfast table fast. Who said? Mom. Third one, I cannot find my bag. Who said? Dad. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. 3 words are given here. First one, Dash and Tia are laying the breakfast table. Rohan. Second, you can have dash juice, orange juice. Third one, I am getting late for the dash office. Now move to the next. Now read these groups of words. Tick the ones that make sense. First one, go we to school. This is wrong. We go to school. This one is correct. Third one, Rohan burgers likes. This is wrong. Fourth one, burgers likes Rohan. This is also wrong. Fourth one. Fifth one is Rohan likes burgers. This is correct. Now tick the groups of words that are sentences. First one is Tia. This is wrong. Second is Tia is dancing. This is correct. Third one, nest bird in a leaves a. This is wrong. A bird lives in a nest. This is correct. Fifth one, my best is friend Ashwin. This is wrong. Sixth one is my best friend is Ashwin. This is correct. Seventh one, Mohan was. Wrong. This sentence is wrong. Eighth one, Mohan was singing. This is correct. Now this one, punctuation. Use capital letters and full stop correctly and rewrite the following. Whenever you write any sentence, first letter should be capital and end of the sentence it should be full stop. In this also, Rohan goes to school. R should be capital and here end of the sentence it should be full stop. He is in class 1. He, H is capital and here full stop. Third one, we should not eat fast food. W we have to write capital and at end of the sentence full stop. Now move to the next page. Fill in the blanks with the correct letters to form meaningful words. Take help from the help box. You can see here help box is given. You can take help from here. First one, HAPPY happy. Second is school, SCHOOL. Third one, kitchen, KITCHEN. Fourth one, family, FAMILY. Now match the words in column A with the words in column B. Drawing, room will come. Dining, table. Class, room. Cricket, match. Fill in the blanks with the words from your school bag. You can see some words are given here. First one, where dash the coconut water is. Second one, let's go to school. Let's will come here. Third one, I dash with my parents and grandparents. I live. Fourth one, we dash our family. Love our family. Now this finishes your book exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day.